Spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me.
Oh, it's nice out here.
What's
This
that?
might make you cry a little bit.
What is it? Early Christmas list. 2 baby alive boys from Wets and Wiggles 2006. 1 baby alive girl from Wets and Wiggles 2008. 2 soft-faced baby 2006 alives. 2 baby alives all gones 2014. 1 loving snuggle baby alive. 1 of my baby alive. 1 bitsy burtsy baby alive. 1 whoopsie doo baby alive 2009. 1 dress and slumber baby alive. 1 sips and slurps baby alive. 1 baby alive newborn 2008. Love Sterling. 2 Santa. And Santa, I want mostly
Baby alives. Who knows that?
in your drawers. I watered that. I thought it needed water.
Come here.
What's wrong?
He was beating up Winnie.
She really just sniffed her butt. Don't film me.
I'm not filming you. I just want you to read that. Read it out loud to me.
Early Christmas list. 2 baby alive boys from Wet and Wiggles. 1 baby alive girl from Wet and Wiggles. 2 soft face baby 2006 alive. 2 baby alive all girls. Look how many. Jeez.
That's all you wanted. Read down below. It's like all I want. I'll take any baby alives.
Has to borrow a basket. Well, they basket's up there.
That's
a little
what.
lower.
What's that? Why is this wet?
To 4:30.
Oh, did you?
And I was just laying on the couch
Okay.
resting. I
Well-
took a shower.
Put them on. You see Ladybug? Where? Oh, there is Ladybug. You and Dorothy. Ooh.
Hey, how are you? You look so pretty.
You go back. Look at Dorothy. Hello, how are you? I'm
Coming in from the playground in.
Wait, you want some sweet
at the registration table. Get your hot dog tickets. To get a free hot dog dinner. The first cakewalk round will start in 4 minutes. If you want to register for the
that witch.
drop out
Look at that witch.
front line real quickly. Come inside, register, get a number for the cakewalk so you can see if you can win a sweet treat.
Oh, it's a stink bug. It wasn't a bee. It's in her basket. A stink bug. She wants him out.
We'll find him later. I don't know where he's at.
He's in there.
We'll find him.
Is he in my hair? I feel something. There he is.
There you go, Sue. I got to deliver for you.
Can I get that?
Good. Want candy?
How long has it been? You've been for several years.
It's been I hate to say in decades, but we might can say it's been a decade.
I run into a guy. At Outback Steakhouse. It's been several years ago. And I believe, how are you?
How you doing? Good to see you. He has good eyes.
There's a fishing duck pond. There's a fishing pond. There's a dartboard.
I told him, I said, when you go to shake hands, how you when you go to shake hands, throw that hand in.
Right there.
I have more than her.
Do what?
She has a little she has a bigger bucket. You could put some in her back bucket if you
That
want.
apple took up a lot of space, didn't it?
It's okay. Leave my apple. Leave my
I was getting snipped
The music stops, maybe
There you go.
You're welcome. What you got? What'd you get?
I stole it. I think you need a bigger basket.
You want a hot dog? You want a hot dog? You do or don't?
What's over here? Okay, you can do that one. Whatever one you want to do. What's over here? Okay, you can do that one. Whatever one you want to do.
Where's Turbo?
He's in the basket. You did it. stick my head in there.
Oh, okay. So you gonna stick your head in there?
Yes. Oh, dang. Is she ready to go? Are you ready to go? Look how pretty that is over there.
There's no different colors.
See it, Sterling? Oh, she's on it. You see the moon?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Isn't this where we gotta carve our pumpkin?
Yeah.
Maybe if I sit on the table. If there's not a lot of seats, right? Watch! Corbin! Corbin!
Don't touch that. That's where the bucket's gotta go.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.